box, and this is like the local breakfast that we are having. So you can see that this is the kaya toast. It's very similar to sapkaya, but they only have one color. I'm not sure. I think it's brown, but it's not the Thai tea. Yeah, and this is for pork. This is yin yang.
Yep, coffee with tea.
Coffee with tea. So
Best of both worlds.
yeah, and this one is like the boiled egg, so it's like hai luwak, and then you have it with like the soy sauce and pepper. However, I think that this one is not like the soy sauce that we're like used to. It's like darker than seaweed cow. It's not as salty as we're used to. So we ordered two sets. We're still waiting for the cheesy toast for pork. So for the two sets, it's all together about $12.3. Yeah, so we're gonna wait for a pork dish to come, and then we're gonna have it, and then we're gonna go to like Pork's place to give this some to Pork's mom for like a new year. Okay, stay tuned where we're going today. So see you guys later. So we're today at the Bugis. Can we see the MRT sign over there? Yeah. So Bugis, yeah, we can come to Bugis by 2 MRT line, which is like the green line, and East-West green line, or the downtown line, which is the color blue. So we're gonna bring you guys to the famous temple, which is called the Kwan Im temple. So this is because at the beginning of the new year, so we want to go to the temple to have a blessing. Yeah, so we're here. So we will walk with you guys to go to the temple. So follow us. Okay, so we're here in front of the temple already. So we're actually going in. You can see that around the area there are a lot of like a flower and incense shops. So if you want to have like a flower or the incense joss-stick, you can buy it. I think that it's about like 2-3 Singapore dollars. But we don't think that we're gonna buy it because we don't want to light up the joss-stick, because my mom is saying that it can cause cancer, so we don't really support
Environmentally
that.
friendly.
Yes. So we just go in and then ask for the blessing, and then we'll come out. So follow us. Okay, so we finished the pray. One thing is just that we couldn't take the picture or the video there. It's not allowed. But there are 3 things that we observed from praying in this temple in Singapore. The first one is that you can see that people start to pray facing outside the temple first. We believe that it's like some kind of like god of goddess to guard the temple.
Yeah, the sky
Yeah.
goddess maybe.
And then after that, they will turn into the Kwan Im statue inside. So I think that they kind of like worship the place first and then the statue. And the second observation is that it's very casual for people to dress up and then go to the temple here, and we don't see any monks in the temple. So it's kind of like different from Thailand, where monks really do live in the temple. And the third thing is that in Singapore, it's very multicultural. Yeah, so you can actually see that next to the Chinese temple here, there is like the Hindu temple at the back. This is called the Sri Krishna. Yeah, the Sri Krishna temple, which is Hindu. So I think that this is the 3 things that we get from the temple blessing today. We are not really sure why people come here for the Kwan Im temple. Some say that it's actually to ask for the children, but some say that good luck for the work. So we don't know for sure, but I think that yeah, it actually makes us, how do I say, mentally peaceful.
Yep.
Yeah, to start the new year. So have a good new year, everyone.
Yes, so we are back here at Bugis Junction, and this is Shanty. I got here with me brown sugar sea salt macchiato. Right, Shanty I think is easily one of the top 3 bubble tea in Singapore for me, right? And trust me, I've drank a lot of bubble tea. Right, this is really good. Let's try it right now. So you can see from here, right, you've got a really nice thick solid layer of cream right there, right? Cream, and then at the bottom with the brown sugar with the pearls. So what you want to do is give it a swirl, you mix it all up, and then you want to drink it from the bottom to the top, so you get every layer from the pearl to the cream, the milk, and later the cream as well. So be super sweet, so you gotta really mix it up, and then the bottom is warm, and as you drink up it gets colder and colder, and the mixture, everything is perfect. One of the best. You guys gotta try if you're not here.